All right, guys, today what I have for you, like I explained in another video, this here is my red dot. My newest friend in addition to my flip sites. I showed you guys a video on flip sites. This here is my new friend after the flip sites. And what I want to show you about this guy, for one, it comes with a protective glass cover for your site. Keeps it nice and clean. You don't get dust and debris and everything all over it. Always put that back on it when you're not using it. You can use it while mounted to your rail as well. So there's no reason for not to use this guard for your screen when it's not in use. But let me go through and show some of you folks how the red dot works. Okay. All right. As you can see here, it has your different settings or different strengths, I should say, of the levels you might want. These here will be the different sites that you can put it on, and you can just flip through those. Let me get a better angle on there. Let's see if we can get that a little better for you guys. There we go. And as you can see, it has 4 different sites. I personally like the crosshair with the hole in the middle. So that is a site that I'm going to switch it to. And you know you have it on the site when it's lined up with this white dot here. That's how you know when you have it on. And right here, you just twist the intensity level you want. And you have, well, before you choose the intensity level, you must choose if you want green. And there's also a red. Myself, I like the green just because everything you've been shown in the past always had red. And how this works is, now you're seeing that as your site, right? Your target will not pick up that site whatsoever. So I'm going to move the camera just to show you. Now you see that I got it on my box over there. Nothing's on the box. Back down. And there it is again. Up. On. No light. Light. So that's a good thing to have shooting at night or even in the daylight. As you see right now, I'm in full light, but your target will not detect that light is on them, or it, or whatever you're gaming for, defending for. It will not pick up. Come on, focus, baby. Focus, focus. All right, anyway. Whatever you're targeting, it will not pick up your dot. That's the beauty of a red dot. And this is my first red dot. I plan on upgrading to a bigger. I have actually not a bigger one, but one that actually has a scope built into it for further distances. But anyway, this is a nice red dot for a beginner. And I'm going to shut her off. And there's also a way you can mount this if you want. I'll show you guys how to mount it. It's just like It's mounting it is just like when you mount it. When I showed you guys, when I showed you guys how to mount the flip sides. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this guy mounted. Once again, you will need an Allen wrench. And this comes with its own Allen wrenches, but I like to use my own. Find out the size you need. Get them open up nice and good. I have to open them up a little bit more for that rail to sit down on this rail. A little bit more. It's actually far enough now I can do it with my hands there. All right. With the red dot, I would say just put it anywhere, because you can adjust the height level of this without messing with the rail. With this adjustment right here, well, this actually going to turn it right or left, but you have an up and down. You have an up and down adjustment right here. This adjustment will turn the sight left or right if it's out of sync, and this one raises it. So you don't have to worry about exactly where you want it there. If you're going to use it along with your flip sides, it's good to just place it there in the middle. Let's get her tightened up. All right, let's go to the target.